Hello student, let's continue exercise 4.5. Exercise 4.5 question number 1 is given. Find the HCF of the following numbers using the common factor method. We can solve this question by using common factor method. Go with the process. First of all, write solution. 25 will come 5 table, 5 5s are 25, 5 1s are 5. Next 30, 2 table, 2 15s are, the next 3 5s are, and the last one 5 1s are. Okay, now you have to write it. 25, 5 multiply with 5 multiply with 1. Next is 30, 2 multiply with 3 multiply with 5 multiply with 1. What we will do? We will find the common factor. So common factor is 5, okay, and 1. So you have to write common factor of 25 and 30 is 5. Okay, this is your correct answer. One more question I have to solve, question number F, which is little lengthy. 275, 83 and 309. Method will be same, only 3 number is given, 1 2 3, which is find the common factor. Same process. 275 divide with 5, 5 5s are 25, 5 5s are 25, 5 table 11 times, 11 table 1 times. Clear? Now 83 will be divide. 83 will divide only for 83. So 83 1s are 83. Clear? Now the next is given. Now 1 1s are 1. 309. 309 will divide with 3. 3 1s are 3. 3 3s are 9. Now the next is given. 103. 1s are 103. Now 1 1s are 1. So 275 you have to write here. 5 multiply with 5 multiply with 11 multiply with 1. 83 divide with 83 multiply with 1, and the last one 309 divide with 3 into 103 multiply with 1. We will find the common factor. So common factor is 1. So your correct answer should be 1. You have to write common factor of 275, 83 and 309 is 1 is your correct answer. Question number 2. Question number 2 is given. Find the HCF of the following number using the prime factorizing method. We can solve this one, prime factorization method. First question is given 81 and 72. Okay, so we can go with same process, little difference is there. Now 81. Now we can use first 3 table. 3 2s are 6, 3 7s are 21, again 3 9s are 27, then 3 3s are 9, then 3 1s are 3. Now 72, first of all we can go with the 2 table. 2 3s are 6, 2 6s are 12, again 2, 18, again 2, 9 times, again 3 3s are 9, and the last one is 3 1s are 3. Now we will find the prime factorization method. So you will write since 81, 3 multiply with 3 multiply with 3 multiply with 3 multiply with 1. Now 72, 2 multiply with 2 multiply with 2 multiply with 3 multiply with 3 multiply with 1. Now we will find the common factor. So this is common 3, again one more common 3, and the last one is 1. Okay, so you have to write therefore HCF equal to 3 multiply with 3 multiply with 1. 3 3 is 9, 9 1 is 9 is your correct answer. One more I have to solve. One more question. Question number F I have to solve here. 270, 480, and the last one is 1350. 1350. Now same process. 270 divide with, first of all, 2. 2 1 is 2, 2 3 is 6, 2 5 is 10. Now we will go for the 5 table. 5 2 is 10, 5 7 is 35. Now again go with the 3 table. 3 9 is 27. Then 3 3 is 9, 3 1 is 3. Now this process is complete. Now next one is 480. Go with the 2 table. 2 2 is 4, 2 4 is 8. Again 2, 2 1 is 2, 2 2 is 4. Again 2. Again 2. Go with the 2. Now 3 table. 3 5 is 15, and the last one is 5 1 is 5. Clear? Now 1350 divide with 2. 2 6 is 12, 2 7 is 14, 2 5 is 10. Go with 5 table. 3 2 is 6, 3 2 is 6, 3 5 is 15. Again go with 3 table. 3 7 is 21, 3 5 is 15. Now go with the 5 table. 5 1 is 5, 5 5 is 25. Now 5 3 is 15 and 3 1 is 3. Okay. Now since 270, 2 multiply with 5 multiply with 3 multiply with 3 multiply with 3 multiply with 1. Now 480, 2 multiply with 2 multiply with 2, then again 2, then again 2. How many 2 is there? Total 5. Then 3 multiply with 5 multiply with 1. Then 1350, 2 multiply with 3 multiply with 3 multiply with 5 multiply with 5 into 3 into 1. Now find out the common factor. This 2. Okay. Now we will find this 3 and the last one is 5. One more 5. 1 5 is here, 1 5 is here, and 1 5 is here. So you have to write HCF is equal to 2 multiply with 3 multiply with 5 multiply with 1. 2 3 is 6, 6 5 is 30, 31 is 30 is your correct answer. Question number 3 is given. Find the HCF of the following numbers using the division method. We can go with the division method. Very easy method is there. 459 and 270. Okay. So we can solve this method using division method. Which one is bigger? This one is the bigger. So we will write here. Now give the divide with the smallest one. 270. 270. 1 times we can give the divide. 9. 15 minus 7. 8. 3 minus 2. 1. Now this number should be, you will write here. This is the method of the division method. Now 189 we can go with the 1 times. Again subtract. 10 minus 9 1. Now 16 minus 8 8. 189 put it here. This 189 we will write here. Now we will go with the 2 times. 9 minus 2 7, 8 minus 6 2, 1 1 0. Now 81. 27 table we will divide with 3 times, which is 81. Now this is your last number is your correct answer. So you have to write here, therefore as 27 is the last divisor, therefore HCF of 459 and 270 is 27 is your correct answer. Okay, Any doubt is there? E number, one more question I have to solve. 450, 360 and 9000. Okay, go with the biggest one. 9000. After that 450. So 450 we will divide with 2 times, which is 900. Yes, 900. Now 0 is the left, so we will put this 0 which is here. Clear? Now this 450 we will divide, go with the 360. First this is the biggest one, and second this is the biggest one. So first department is over. Now second we will go with the, because this number we will go with the this number. So 450 divide with 360. Don't be confused. Two processes are given. This is the biggest one and second biggest one, this one. So we can go divide with this 2 number. After that, whatever the divisor given, we will go with the second one. 360 divide with 1 times. 15 minus 6, 9. Now 360, 90 table 360 will become 4 times. Okay. So therefore HCF of 450, 360 and 9000 is 90 is your correct answer. So student, you have to question number 1, 2, 3 solve tomorrow. If you have any doubt, you will ask me tomorrow, not day after tomorrow. One more question, question number 4. Question number 4 is given, find the greatest number that will divide 345, 720 and 180 completely. We will go with the prime factorization method. Okay. Question number 4. First is given 345. Now 345 divide with 3, which is 115. Now this one again divide with 5 table, which is 23, and 23 will divide with 23 only. Next is 720. 720 divide with 5 table, which is 144. Next go with the 3 table, which is 48. Then go with 2 table, 24. Again go with 2 table. 2 2 is 4, 2 4, 2 and the 2, 2 2 is 4. Then 2 6 is 12. Then 2 3 is 6. Then 3 1 is 3. Now last we will go with the 180, which is 5 go with 2 table. Then again 2. Then 3 table. Then go with again 3 table. Then last one 5 table. Now first of all write with 345, which is 3 multiply with 5 multiply with 23 multiply with 1. 720 multiply with 5 multiply with 3, 2 again 2 again 2 again 2, and the last is 3 multiply with 1. 180 is multiply with 2 multiply with 2, then 3, then 3, then 5 multiply with 1. Now we will find here common factor method. So first of all this 3 will the common, so write here 3. Next is your 5 is common, 1, 2 and 3. So your answer will be 15. Okay. Same, very easy, only we will go with the prime factorization method and we will find the common factor number. Next is question number 5. Question number 5 is given, find the greatest number that will divide 135, 401 and 268, leaving the remainder 2 in each case. Simply remainder is given 2. So as you know what we will do, 135 remainder is given 2, so minus 2 is equal to 133. Next is given 401 minus 2, which is 399, and the last is given 268 subtract with 2, which is 266. What you will do, therefore the required number is the SCF of the required number is 133, 399 and 266. Now we will go with the prime factorization method. Since 133 divide with 133 will divide with 133 only. 399 divide with 3, 3 1 is 3, 3 3 is 9, 3 3 is 9. Again 133 divide with 133 one times. Now 266 divide with 2 table, 2 1 is 2, 2 3 is 6, 2 3 is 6. Now 133 divide with the same digit. Clear? Now common factor of 133 is equal to 133 multiply with 1. 399 is equal to 3 multiplied 133 multiply with 1, and 266 is equal to 2 into 133 multiply with 1. So which is the common? Common is 133. So your answer is 133 is your correct answer. All methods are same, there is no any problem. You have to go with the process only. Last question, question number 6. Dolly purchased 2 bags. How many bags? 2 bags of fertilizer weighing 75 kg. One bag is 75 kg, another bag is 105 kg. Find the maximum value of weight which can measure the 2 bags exact number of times. For what you will do? Finding maximum weight. Finding maximum weight we have to find SCF of 75 and 105. Same go with the process. Factor of 75. So you know 3 into 5 multiply with 5. 3 5 is 15, 15 5 is 75. Now factor of 105, then 3 multiply with 5 multiply with 7. Okay. Now SCF of 75 and 105, we can find the common factor. So 3 is common and 5 is common. So 3 multiply with 5, 15. You have to write, therefore the required weight is 15 kg. So today your class is over. You have to complete in your notebook. Thank you.